Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss the late Biafran hero, Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, in a way you may never have heard before. You know, the moment you mention that name, several things come to the mind of several people. For some, he was a visionary. For others, some a rebel. Some other things, etc. A Jamaican-born Nigerian writer, poet, and broadcaster called Lindsay Barrett sees Ojukwu as something else. To him, he was an idealist, someone who was deeply connected to Nigeria in ways few would imagine today. Yes, Ojukwu was deeply connected to Nigeria. You will learn a lot of things. Stay around. In a recent interview by Daily Trust TV, Barrett shared a conversation they had, he and Ojukwu, at which Ojukwu revealed to him what was behind the man, Emeka Ojukwu. Ojukwu told him something simple, yet unforgettable. Let's see the video and we'll be right back.
Did you ever have a chance to meet Ojukwu and maybe get...
I have seen many years after the war. Interview, they did a long interview and lost it. But I met him and we spoke and we were very...
So what was your sense? That has he kind of regretted?
He told me, there was one thing I never forget, him telling me, I wish I hadn't lost the tape. He told me that at independence, he was more than 100% a Nigerian. And that...
This was in 1960?
Yes. He said that independence, I was more than 100% Nigerian.
Right.
And I had wanted that to guide my life. That's what he told me. I never forgot it.
So, Ojukwu used to be one Nigerianist. Yes. Maybe you have not heard it before. Ojukwu used to be one Nigerianist before the war. His state of mind, just like many, was right towards Nigeria. Before politics, before the evils of the system redefine him. You may not have heard something like this before. Okay, let's look at it. Nigeria got independence in 1960 from British colonial rule. Like new things, you will love to identify with it. There was unity. The ethnic, tribal, and religious differences were there. But they were not enough to dissolve that single nationality or single national identity. No matter what, everyone were proud as Nigerians at the point in time. At that time, Ojukwu was the son of one of Nigeria's richest men. Ojukwu studied in Oxford, and joining the Nigerian army was lovely for him. A case of a young guy willing to serve his nation, Nigeria. Unlike today, they are begging some to join the army. A lot of things have gone wrong. I don't blame those who refuse to join. Ojukwu rose in ranks. He got the respect and the command he deserved from people. According to Barrett, Ojukwu didn't just participate in Nigeria's independence story. He see it as an obligation and a conviction. You know, something you will lovely do. Oh, I'm doing this for my country. You are proud of it. Hey, what about today? So Ojukwu joined happily. People were sending their children to join the army happily. You have to serve your nation. But things soon changed. Things changed, just like it's going on now in Nigeria. There was so much marginalization and mistreatment of Ndi Igbo. Just like now, Nigerians are looking for every attempt to hurt Igbo people. Lagos is trying to make Igbos lose their properties. Tinubu will not build or repair eastern seaports. He will prefer to build dry ports in Yoruba land. So if you're an Igbo man, you still feel, oh, this Nigeria is good. The gas is found in Igbo land. Many of the gas is found in Igbo land. But they took pipes to other states. And we don't have pipes in Igbo land to serve us. How do you want us to feel? One Nigeria or what? So things changed. Just like things are changing now and again. Because after the war, we're still a kind of reconciliation. We're still like, oh, we began to cherish the country again. But things are fast changing. So back to Ojukwu. What really happened? After the coup and counter-coup in 1966, there was a brutal massacre of Ndi Igbo in northern Nigeria. That dream of unity Ojukwu had was shattered. Ojukwu realized it is better to lead his people in a secession than remaining loyal to a federation that targeted his people, a federation that killed his people, a federation that could not protect his people. Easterners, especially Igbos, lost their life in a senseless counter-coup and pogrom that followed. This was inspired by the oil-thirsty Britain, United Kingdom, in the attempt to continue to drink Nigeria oil. The scars and the pain are still there. Ojukwu's plan, in conjunction with some Easterners, wasn't to rebel or to destroy Nigeria. He felt betrayed by a country he loved. Ojukwu so much loved Nigeria. Today, we are feeling the same betrayal. They are forcing us to remain in a fake unity. In their secret meetings, they laugh and mock us. Oh God, break this hurting union. God should break this hurting union. It is hurting. According to Beret, he lost the tape of his conversation with the Biafran leader. I wish he preserved it. Many of us Igbos today will still cheer. We still celebrate when Nigeria wins a football game or any other game. In any competition Nigeria wins, some of us still celebrate. Despite how this country has been treating us. According to Beret, Ojukwu was not one-dimensional. Ojukwu was not just simply a general. He was torn between ideas and realities. I want to ask you a question. Do you think one can truly have a sense of 100% Nigerian today, considering the insecurity, the economic frustration, and ethnic tensions, plus ethnic cleansing today? How would Benue people, Plateau people, that's Gowon's people, remember how they felt those days? How would they feel today? Even many Igbo people. How would they feel under the tenure of Buhari as a president, where the Fulanis are armed? At the point Buhari started collecting guns. Other Nigerians are hot. Do you still feel that 100% sense of this is my country? Some were calling Igbos secessionists. They said Igbos hate unity. But some are changing their minds now. Like my friends will say, they say, when Nigeria happens to you, you will change your mind. It was no longer like the days of the independence. And even after the war, in the 80s, early 90s, Nigeria was quite lovely. Today, the country is charged with so much hatred, so much disunity, tribalism, nepotism, marginalization of some people, partiality, hate, and distrust. And let me tell you my suggestion. I suggest that we stop deceiving ourselves. Only a few people likes this unity because there is a way they make something out of it. It is a false unity. Let's tell ourselves the truth. It is hurting a lot of people. And let me tell you, the most righteous thing to do now, the most righteous thing to do is to separate peacefully. When that happens, you will see love. Oh, these people are part of Nigeria before. These people are part of our country before. Oh, how are you? They even say gifts. So it is a righteous thing to break up Nigeria. Very righteous thing. I'm telling you the truth. We have looked at it and we have seen that this will solve the problem. Let's stop deceiving ourselves that we are united. We are not united. Those who are clamoring for us to remain together are reaping from the system. Our viewers, what do you think? Add your comment on the comment section. If you like this video, like it and share. I am Azuka OJ. Bye-bye for now.